Hey garden friends, I was about to head over to the garden. You should come with me. Yeah, let's go. Alright, so we made it back to the school. I had to check on the fish, our houseplants, in a greenhouse brimming with plants. But now it's time to head out to the garden and get some work done. Can you run with me? Pick up your feet and run. I love being in the garden. So many wonderful smells. Gardening is the coolest. I love being outside with friends. Isn't nature awesome? Let me show you my garden. We grow so many different types of fruits and veggies here. No shortage of sticks here. So fun to play with. Check out my collection. Oh, working in the garden makes me tired sometimes. But spring is coming, friends. Lots of work to do, so let's not waste any time. We pruned our fruit trees this winter. That left too many branches on the ground. Gotta clean up the orchard and get these into our compost pile. Working in the garden can be a ton of fun too. Sometimes I like to run off and hide. Can you find me? You can't catch me. Ha ha ha.
Oh, Bear, where'd you go? Bear, come on, Bear, get back here. Come on, little bear, where are you hiding? Where are you at, Bear? Oh, I think I see you. Wait, there you are.
Dang it, you found me. Well, it's been great to work in the garden with you. Lots more to do. Gotta repair my drip tubing. Wow, these veggie beds need some attention. I need to till this soil and add some compost. What are your thoughts? Do you have fun when you get outside? Do you like eating fruits and veggies? You don't need a large garden to start growing. You can grow a great garden in pots. Thanks for spending some time with me in the garden today. It was so great to have you here. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See ya later!